Hey, I'm doing another video because I got the hiccups again, and you just have to wait. It should come in a little. There we go. There's my hiccup. It's taking a little while to come. Oh, we're just gonna have to wait. There's another one. Let's direct the light where it's supposed to be. There we go. Wait. Where the light at? Where the light at? There we go. That's where it's. Oop. Guess that only shows when I'm doing this. Let's see what else we can find. We see that there's like TV over there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like TV over there. Dark shade and like a fish tank and a fireplace and there's like ready fridge and there's princess. And yeah. A guy, the anonymous, I say the instead of the. I say the, but I pronounce it the or the, whatever. Anonymous, and you look on my first video on I got the hiccups. You can see that he like said more hiccups or something like that, and longer video or something like whatever. And look at that, my hand. I wish I could call it my hand. And see, I think I'm gonna jig it in my hand. So I think I'm gonna jig it in my hand. I think I'm gonna jig it in my hand. I think I'm gonna jig it. I think I'm gonna jig it. I think I'm gonna jig it in my hand. Yeah. I got the hiccups bad. Princess. Come on, princess. Here she comes. Come on, princess. Am I on your tail? I'm on your tail, aren't I? You look like a cat. If you can move, I will get my leg off your tail. Hi, princess. Hi. You're weird. You're a weird dog. I think my hiccups went away. My hiccups went away. My hiccups are gone. I love it when my hiccups. Oh, never mind. They're back. So, people want to talk about more hiccups and crap. I hate hiccups. They get on my nerves. They always cut me off. Like, talking, they be like, hiccup. Ah. Before, I had a bad a long time ago. Because every time I say one word, it would be like, hiccup. It wouldn't just stop. It wouldn't stop at all. I was just getting so freaking mad. And it was just so disturbing. No, I think I'm going to stop this video now. It's been 40 minutes already. Bye!